I will add twist in my hips. Twist and I open my hip. Twist and I open my hip. To the first step, I will add this accent to the back. Tak, tak, tak. 1 and open. 1 and open. With these steps, I will move by small circle, not by huge circle. Normal circle 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I open. Hop. From the left knee up, hop, hop. And we have steps. 1, cross and step. Cross, step, cross, step. Now we will add twist of our hips. We will go twist and step. Twist now and step. To the first step, when I go cross, I will add this accent. 1 and change. 1. With these steps, I will move by a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.